Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 1. New to PC as of October 2024. And I'm playing the fifth mission in the game called Women and Cattle. And ironically, it feels much like another tutorial. So far, I'd say most of these missions have felt like a tutorial. Unlike Red Dead 2, where you just feel like you're thrown into the Wild West, and it's just action nonstop. This is a lot of kind of learning how to do stuff and a lot of dialogue. I remember back in 2014 when the game came out, and I was playing it on the PS3, maybe PS2. I don't know. It seemed like being part of a movie. I felt like I was playing a character in a movie, and that was such a new concept and just absolutely awesome. And it's still awesome, yet I find myself craving more action here, for sure. So my job here is to go to the yellow X again, herd the cows out of the pen. This is a tutorial that will teach me how to herd cows. So it's relatively simple. So if I go to the right, the cows move to the left. If I go to the left, cows move to the right. So pretty simple. Just stay behind the cows. We're right here. I realize we're supposed to be going up the road to the left, so I just come over here and grab this little guy and turn. He just kind of follows those guys. I'm going to go to the right if I have to right here, but no, they just head up the road. Relatively simple. And here's where it gives me a little bit of help on how to herd cows. So, yep, it's the life of a rancher, and something that he is becoming very familiar with. One thing that he did in this mission, however, right before we headed out to herd the cows, he pretty much confessed his whole story to Bonnie McFarlane. So she now knows. He's married, has a boy. The daughter died, so he's got a wife and a son somewhere, and he's being forced. And here we're supposed to herd the cows to the old oak tree that way. So she knows he's at the mercy of the government, who's forcing him to capture or kill his former gang members, and that's why he's here. So for redemption, but also pressed hard by the government to get it done, or else. And I think that kind of levels the playing field a little bit here, that now she knows his full story, and she's the only one here that knows his full story and knows really what he's there for. So there's an element of honesty and openness there between them. So here she says, hey, you're so good at that. Maybe ranching is your true calling, or you were a cow in a past life. She takes off to go back to the ranch. I pick up some money from my work. A little bit of honor for helping, for doing a positive thing, I assume. And that's where we end this very simple mission. I'll catch you next time. For now, though, Mr. Johns is out.